Convention of Champions 2021. One of the first conventions we've had in a couple years, and it was fantastic, spectacular, starting with the partners meeting and the product providers in training, all the way through to the gala awards night, and then the intensive workshops on how to build a business and how to build an agency, all the way up to the leadership instruction and the closing messages from all the great leaders in this company. Now it's your turn to take everything you've learned and go home and put it into action and change others, people's lives, and therefore change your lives forever. God bless, and we'll see you at the top. Let's hear a big move to get out of here!